This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable utensils, specifically these PLA utensils. And there's 3 different ones available for you: the 7-inch fork, the 7-inch knife, and a 6.5-inch spoon. They're all white PLA plastic, and they're each sold separately. So that's a fantastic feature, especially if you're looking to stock a self-serve area for customers, or just pick up utensils for your next catering event, because you can just buy forks, knives, or spoons, all 3 or some combination. So you have the ability to buy what you need to match your setup needs, which is great. They're all made of a cornstarch-based plastic that is 100% compostable, so they're a fantastic eco-friendly option. They're also durable and strong, so you don't have to sacrifice that quality to go eco-friendly. These PLA plastic utensils are best suited for cold or room temperature foods. If you're going to be serving hot foods, we recommend checking out the line of PLA utensils that are heat resistant. Their size makes them versatile, so they're great for using with a variety of different foods and also a variety of different dishes and for different times of the day. So whether you're serving luncheon, brunch, or dinner, these are a great size option. They're conveniently disposable for quick post-event cleanup, and they're great for a variety of food establishments, caterers, just stocking things like your office break room, or for a great disposable option to use at home.